Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Fat to Thin. Now, in this episode, you're going to be seeing a little bit of what Danny's eating, as well as some of the vitamins that he's taking. A veggie shake, and 2 of his vitamins that he's taking. Also, you're going to see how he feels about the location of this gym. I hope you guys like the episode.
Hey y'all, me Danny. I'm walking into HyperFit right now to go do my workout. But there's one thing I want to show you. This man's gym is next to a Domino's pizza. Like, bruh. It's crazy. It's so tempting to just walk in there. What up, Derek? How are you doing?
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose, cause I'm still the...
Alright, y'all. Leaving the gym right now. Remember how I said Domino's was right over here? Guess what else I'm flanked by? There's Burger King. Ah yes, the perfect location for this gym. I'm literally flanked by fast food. Hey y'all, it's me Danny. Got a new haircut. Had to. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys right now. I'm about to take my pills. It actually really helps me out on this diet. So yeah, just wanted to show it off. As you can see here, we have sea kelp, maximum strength, my Ultra Gut Pro, and the Adrenal Rejuve. These 2 you can only get from Derek. This one you can get at like any kind of place that sells sea kelp. But I'm taking them with water right now. Yep, and that's it. But yeah, it really helps me out with my energy, really helps me out with bloating, anything that I eat, you know, it really keeps me just going. So yeah, they're awesome. Just want to show them off to you guys because it's really helping me out. Hey y'all, I'm going to be showing you how to make the veggie belly shake. Something that I've been drinking for what feels like forever. But yeah, it's just been helping me out through this diet. It's been making me feel clean, really cleaning out my digestive system, and really just cleansing me as a whole person. But yeah, I'll be showing you how to make it right now. And one of my favorite things about it is that if you say it really fast, it sounds really tribal. Veggie belly shake, the veggie belly shake. Yeah, I know, I'm a nerd, but whatever. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make that right now. All you need basically right now is some organic chopped kale. It's gotta be organic, has to. And I'll be going in here right now. Yeah, so here it is, set up inside. I try to get about like 4 cups in per day, which is tough. Takes a lot of green, but you know what? It's worth it. And yeah, that's set up like that. That's the first ingredient. All right, and here's the next ingredient. Next ingredient you want to add is a whole organic squeezed lemon. So yummy, adds a lot of taste to this shake, despite the obvious kale taste. But yeah, it adds a lot. It's really good for you too. But yeah, that's the next ingredient. Yeah, that's good. We have our juicy kale shake. And next up is beautiful, 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 beautiful almond milk. Add about a cup. Put that in there. That's about it. There's a lot of things you could add. Some of the things you could add is stevia. I'm not a big fan of stevia, but then you could also add chocolate protein as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the blender right now. Yep, that's it. That's that kale shake. Dippity dope. We just made the kale shake. Checking in on how I'm doing right now. I'm doing great. I feel like literally tons lighter. A couple days it's hard. I have some cravings here and there. But I mean, it's working. It's working. I'm really seeing a lot of results, especially my pants. Yeah, it's just nuts. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's just a small check-in on my journey. We still hanging on. We're going all in. 100 pounds, 100 days. We still in it.
Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and when you subscribe, click that little bell so that you get an alert every time we post a video. And again, of course, if you've missed any other episodes, you can go ahead and click either one of these episodes right here to get all caught up. Thanks guys, have a good week.
Oh, David, here's my 25 minutes. David.
Do it again.
David!